Hi, this is Bill Harrison, and in this video, we're going to take a look at what an administrator needs to do to run the Emma Direct Member Signup service. In a previous video, we took a look at the form itself, how to fill it out, how to get a member signed up in the field. That's the form you see in front of you here. But what we're going to do today in this video is take a look at what happens once a form has been submitted. So we're going to pop over to our Emma demo system. And to get here, we're going to go to the admin menu and we're going to choose signups. The signups are going to take us to this screen, which is where new direct member signups come once that form is completed online. You'll recall in the last video we filled the form out for Tina Turner. We'll see that here now that Tina has been submitted. Her status is submitted as a record, and you can see the date and time when she filled out that information. We don't have any information on her person type because she's brand new to us. We don't have her in our database already. And we can toggle this little down arrow icon on the right to see additional information that she's entered, including her work location, her email address and telephone number. So now that we have that information, if Tina is someone that we want to have in our member database, all we have to do is click the little green approve checkbox, and that will process her into our member database and create a membership record for her. Process is very straightforward, verifying that we do want to create a member. And once that's done, an actual person record is created in the Emma database. And as you see, there was a pop-up message there saying that a PDF was being generated. So that tells us that actually a membership document was created for her as well. Notice that once that's completed, the Social Security number for Tina, which was just a number before, like this black number, is now blue and is actually a link. So we can actually open that record up now in Emma. Let's pop over that to another tab, and we'll see that Tina has now been processed as a member. Her person type has been established as a member. The amount of her political contribution here has been specified. And then if we go down here to the Documents tab in her record, you'll see that her membership application is being processed. So the system will take a minute or two to generate that membership PDF, but once that's completed, you'll have an attached PDF copy of her membership application, just like you would if she were signed up using an Emma iPad in the field. So the process is very, very straightforward for new members coming into the system. Now, what about the situation where we might have a person who's already in our database? Let's say we imported somebody as part of a new hire list, and then they went to our public website and signed up as a member as well. Well, when that's the case, you're going to see a match. You're going to see that automatically this person will have been created and linked to their existing record in the database. So if I enter Social Security number, that's one that already exists in the database, then it's just going to link me to that record and not create a new record to eliminate the need or the problem of having duplicate records created. If this record that is in the database is a non-member currently, so maybe a new hire or somebody that's been terminated, then Emma's going to go ahead and make that person a member and create a new membership application for them automatically. No activity or no steps are needed on the administrator's part. We'll simply see that that person's already in the database. We'll see that they're not a member currently. We'll take their membership information and their signature, create a new membership app, and simply link it here to their sign-up record. So when that happens, you'll see people just show up as members like Maria Adkins here with a link to by their Social Security number to their existing member record. So very straightforward process. Actually no steps needed if the person is already in the database. So those are really the scenarios that you need to worry about when you're thinking about processing members here. The key is we want to give in the signups collection a way to have people stored in a place where we can review them first before approving them. Might be that somebody enters information incorrectly. We could have somebody who might have applied perhaps to the wrong local, and you end up with information here that isn't actually a valid membership application. So we need a way to go in and review these and only approve the ones that are actual membership applications. Another thing that you'll notice is that Emma will track partial form completion. options. So if we go over here to the form and I fill out, let's say I don't want to put in my social security number because I'm nervous, but I put in Susie Smith as my name, and I begin to say that I work at Kroger, store number 563 or 561, but then I don't want to enter any more information. For whatever reason, I'm distracted, I don't complete the record. You'll notice over here in Emma that that partial record is still stored. Susie Smith we're capturing that information from the form as it's being put in, right? So if Susie, for example, were to enter her phone number here, and then decided not to go any further with the application process, we still have her partial application. And when we open this down arrow, you'll see we have her work location and her phone number. Now, why is that helpful? Well, it's helpful because she hasn't actually completed the application process. She hasn't signed off on the application, but we do have her contact info. So if she was confused or got distracted or didn't want to sign this or was nervous about putting in her social security number, we can pick up the phone and call her and find out what the situation is and still get her signed up. So part of the design here is to capture everything we can about these members and make it easy as possible to follow up and get them signed up. So I hope you find that helpful. The Direct Member Signup service is up and running. If your local is not currently using it and wants to, just drop us a ticket. We'll get the service set up for you, no additional cost, and we hope you find it useful. Thanks very much.